Hey family, I want to take this moment and warn every content creator out there, especially those doing videos like mine, Christian content, Christian videos, uplifting videos. Recently, my YouTube channel was almost hijacked. Okay, someone wanted to take control of it, upload strange videos, which they almost succeeded, because I started noticing like strange uploads, videos that I didn't upload, and change my information. But I thank God and the YouTube team for helping me recover it. When I received an email from the YouTube team that my channel has been deleted from YouTube, I got sick. I was like, okay, what did I do? Where did I go wrong? I was drained. Family, for 2 good days, my channel was deleted from YouTube until I appealed. I emailed the YouTube team and they reviewed my channel manually, and they proved that my channel was hacked, or someone was trying to hijack the channel. So family, I thank the YouTube team for their quick response and for restoring my channel. I salute them. But I don't want you to go through the same pain. Please be careful with emails offering sponsorships, collaborations, or even promotions. Many of them are fake and will try to trick you into downloading files or signing in through fake links. Always double check the sender's email. Never share your login details, and turn on 2-step verification for your Google account. Stay safe, stay alert, and keep creating with wisdom.